Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to be doing something with bar chords, all right, and simple enough. All we're interested in today is what's available to us once we have that bar up in that chord position. Now, what does this mean? All right, we know the G chord, bar position, all right, we know the sound. Now, to make the major chord, that's this, and you can make it a minor chord. Hear the difference in the sound? What did I do? I took the second finger from the major, okay, and lifted it off. Okay, that's all I did. All right, now, with the seventh chord, or dominant seventh chord, all we need to do is lift the pinky. All right, major chord, lift the pinky. Now, this is something you can use like muscle memory exercises, all right? But with chords, you could be watching television, but you got to strum lightly because then you can't hear what's on the television. But you know, you could just go. To the sound, get used to the subtle differences. Now, that's in this position. In this particular position, we know that's the root. Now, let's go down to the C position, right below it. This one we know also. All right. Now, with the C chord, and again, I know some people, they have trouble picking up that note. Some people will be doing it this way. All right. Okay, from the C position. Okay, we're going to go to C minor. Okay, we see what we did? Major sound, minor sound. Okay, now, seventh sound. If we're doing it this way, what I did is, could you get a look at that? Okay, where I lift. And again, the same thing. We do C, C minor, C7. Hear the sound? This is something where we want to start hearing and knowing what's available to us in that one bar position. Okay, now interestingly enough, all right, right here, if I'm going back to the G chord, you have the C, go right underneath to the C, C minor, C7, G7, everything you have in this compact area. Now these are the two major forms, all right? Root on the G major is here, root for the C major, and subsequently, you know, the C minor, C7, root is there. Now the other bar chord form, and I know it's the one everybody likes, that this is the one it comes across with this, all right? To make this a minor chord, all right? And see, we're using a D chord here. Get a minor chord, we go here. Just lift the pinky. Okay, and it's something, you know, again, you could practice. Okay, the root is right here. Now, the seventh chord is not a bar chord. It's this, remember the old C7, this is move it down, your root is here. So you have, okay, now to make this particular form a true D7 chord, instead of playing the root here, you take the third finger here. So what happens is you have D7. Okay, and again, this is just subtle differences. And what it is we're using sort of the compact area to have major, minor, seventh, major, minor, seventh, major, minor, seventh. Okay? Just a bit of a review, something to work with. We're going to be using this in the very, very near future, where we're going to be needing to know that, if we're playing something, and let's say we're going to do something like an ending of a song, we're going to use a G, G7, C to C minor. It sounds something like this. Okay, that's just one example of where, if you're really familiar with the major, minor, and the seventh sounds, how this plays in, playing different tunes with the guitar. All right, have some fun with this. Work it out, nice and easy. Remember, use the metronome. Okay, if you're watching television, just finger nice and easy. Use your thumb on the guitar if you want. Okay, have some fun with it. Let me know how it works out for you. If you like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up. Subscribe so we can get all this stuff out there. All right, and thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.